Two Likompo hitmakers, Shebeshit and Shadesh, guys, they form a reunion once again. They are in the studio, guys. They are cooking something, guys. Watch the space. Something's coming. Shebeshit and Shadesh, guys, they are cooking something, guys. Watch the space. As we all know that they are one of the hit makers of Likompo, guys. So I expect nothing more than a hit, guys. Whatever they are cooking here, it's a hit, guys. Make sure, guys, you subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Here's the video of Shebeshit and Shadesh. So guys, you can share your opinion about this combo, guys, but I expect nothing less than a hit, guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video, guys.